Welcome to my channel. Today we'll see 10 basic question and answers in German. So in today's video we'll see very common and basic questions, and we'll divide this video into two parts. Then the next video will come, that will be part 2. In that we'll see little complex question and answer. You can say more advanced. In today's video we'll just say basic common questions and answers. Okay, so we'll start with the video. Now question is called as Frage, F-R-A-G-E, Frage, and plural form will be Fragen, that is questions, and answer is called as Antwort, A-N-T-W-O-R-T, Antwort. So now the first question will be very most basic and common question will be wie geht's, meaning how are you. We get es or we gets, both are fine. So the answer will be gut, danke, meaning good, thank you. Now suppose you want to extend the answer, it will be und Ihnen. Again you are asking question to that other person and you. Okay, so this is the basic question, first question. Now the second will be was lernst du, meaning what do you learn. Okay, lernen is actually a verb. It means to learn. So it is very much similar to English. So it will be was lernst du, meaning what do you learn. So the answer will be ich lerne Deutsch. Okay, so it means I learn German. If you are learning German now, it will be I learn German. Then the third question will be was machen Sie heute, meaning what are you doing today. Okay, machen Sie heute, heute is today. So the answer will be, there will be multiple answers, but for example we'll take ich werde einen Film schauen, meaning I will watch a film. Film is film. Then the fourth question will be war he here gestern, meaning was he here yesterday. Gestern is yesterday. War is was. So is he. That is a personal pronoun. So it will be war he here gestern, meaning was he here yesterday. So the answer will be nein, war nicht, meaning no, he was not. Nicht is not. So nein is no and nicht is not. So it will be nein, war nicht. Then the fifth one will be wie viel kostet das. Again this is very important and common question, you can say. It means how much is that. Okay, wie viel kostet das. Kostet is the cost. So this is very common question. Anywhere you will find this question, that is how much is the cost. So the answer will be, suppose it is for 100 euros, then the answer will be es kostet 100 euros. Euros meaning euros. The spelling is same, but the pronunciation will be euros in German. So it will be es kostet 100 euros. Then the sixth question will be was möchten Sie für essen. Okay, suppose you go to any restaurant. So there this question will happen, that what do you want to eat. Okay, essen is to eat. Then the answer will be ich möchte, suppose, Suppe und Brot, meaning I would like to or I want to have soup and bread. Okay. Then the seventh one will be was möchten Sie für trinken. Then the next question will be what will you have to drink. Again, suppose you go to the restaurant. So the answer will be ich möchte Wasser or Cola or Saft. Saft is juice, Wasser is water. So anything you can tell. Ich möchte so and so. And the next question will be möchten Sie etwas zum Trinken. This is the other way of asking what do you want to drink. Suppose you go to somebody's house. Then they will ask what would you like to drink. Okay. So the same question but in a different way we are asking. So here the answer will be, you can say ich möchte nur Wasser, meaning I would like Just water, plain water. Nur is just. So just water I'll have. This is the answer. Then the next question will be, ninth one will be, was is los or was is passiert? Okay, the same meaning but in a different way. You are asking someone that what happened. It means what happened. Was is los or was is passiert? Both are correct, meaning what has happened. So the answer will be, ich habe Kopfschmerzen. If you have headache, then you can tell I have headache. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. On my channel there is a video called at the doctors in German. There you can see this type of question, the same question. So this is also very important question, and the answer also obviously. And then the last one will be, haben Sie Geld? Okay, so it means do you have money? Geld is money, and haben is a verb, it means to have. So you are asking someone, do you have money? If you want to pay something and you are going to pay that person later, you can ask haben Sie Geld, meaning do you have money? So these are the very simple and basic questions you can say in German language, and answers also. We have seen both questions and answer. In the second part, we'll see a little bit more advanced question and answers. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.